Hey, how you guys doing today? It's me back again, Corey Norris, and thanks for checking out my channel, Direct Pay Marketing. I want to go over Infinity Processing System. If you're looking for a way to start a at-home business and a easy way to start an at-home business that's getting multiple results, I want to go over some of the action takers in our proof group. I want to show you how to get started, and I want to show you the product packages and how they are being able to attract the perfect customer and client using the social media blueprint and posting the pre-written ads on social media to attract the attention that you want to get with your at-home based business to be able to get those leads and sales. Now, with this blueprint, it gives you detail for detail and step-by-step training on how to post these pre-written ads and how to post lifestyle ads, how to post image ads, so that way you can start bringing in those type of clients and customers who want what you have to offer. Stay tuned, get all the way to the end of this video. I have a special bonus that I'm going to be offering to you guys, so you want to stay with this video. Do hit that notification bell so you won't be left out on anything else that's going on with Infinity Processing System and the Make Money Online space. Again, I'm glad you guys decided to stay and rock it with me. My name is Corey Norris, and we've been having so many members having success with this blueprint. So many members are putting the actual training from the background together and seeing success with this training. The training has been put together by a multiple six-figure earner named Adriana Vegas, who has put all her knowledge and training into the members area, so that way you can learn the skills to be able to attract those who want your opportunity. Now, you can use the attraction skills to whatever offer it is that you're promoting, but knowing how to attract that person who want what you have to offer, or even just want to have know the information of your business and details. So without holding you up longer, I'm going to jump right into the proof group. As you can see, not just 14 hours ago, um, Grady Barrett received 600 while enjoying the sunshine. How? 3 steps. Got started with IPS. Post one of the copy and paste ads on social media. Sent my done for you website link to people who responded, and and one joined. Stop putting off just the easiest program to profit with. So big congratulations to you, Garrett, on getting started with IPS and making your first $600 a day sale. They do offer a super affiliate bonus, a super affiliate package. I did not jump into that package as the time it was offered, but I'm going to upgrade to that super affiliate package once I get the chance. I just want to go through some more testimonials with you. Peter Berry, 19 hours ago, boom, that's another 600 instant pay. If you haven't got started yet, now's the time. All you have to do is plug in, choose a traffic strategy that you can do consistently every day. Traffic, IPS. Don't complicate it. It's as simple as that. And you see he earned a $600 a day. Congratulations to you, to Peter. Here's a top contender. Hey, IPS team, let's welcome Jasmine Frischman to the group. He's here to check out this testimonials. Get back to me when you're ready to start. So that's a powerful strategy there, is to bring people into the proof group so they can see that not just you, but other members are having success with this opportunity, with this blueprint. Is on fire, you guys. And there's no hype. There's no, I'm going to just ramp this up so you can go to the link. No, it's the truth, and the proof is in the pudding. I'm showing you guys the proof within the pudding, so to speak. So I'm just going to go down, and I want to show you guys a couple more testimonies. Here's Julia Fawcett. This one popped in as I was sleeping. Fantastic to have another member take action, huge steps to investing in their future. with our awesome. So you're gonna pick one of the platforms. Hers is Facebook. I like to use Facebook too. And show up daily. Be with the be that with posts, shorts form, video, stories, engagement, and Facebook groups, live, etc. It don't have to be all at once. Let me move my marker up here. Have genuine conversations with people, engage message, and determine that you want to and can help them reach their goals. Excellent. Congratulations to you, Julie. And here's my testimony when I made a $300 sale. This came through yesterday while I was asleep, while I was spending time with the family, loving the IPS program. And I wanted to share with you, and what I shared with the group is that for 90 days I was consistent, posting the right content on Facebook, doing 3 YouTube videos a day, following the training in the back office, following the training in the coaching group, going over the videos 3, sometimes maybe 4 times, until I finally understood and knew how to put those videos and put action into what I was learning and training. And I started to generate sales and my opportunity using Facebook. So as you can see, it's not just me who's having great strides and success with the Infinity Processing Program, but others are too. Now I want to go over how you can join and what the product packages are. I do have my link down in the description, so if you want to check that out and go over the video and see how it can help you in your business, or if you knew and wanted an opportunity to join in with, this will be a perfect one for you. It's affordable for the masses. So just real quick, how how does it work? You'll get started, join one of the levels to get access to your product and your step-by-step digital training. We show you exactly where and how to start posting ads on social media to drive tons of traffic to your offer and start collecting 100% daily commission straight to your account. What are those ads? I want to go over real quick here, back into the members area. See here, you have 2 pre-written ads and bonus imagings. So these are pre-written ads, you guys, that you can put on your Facebook that's going to attract the perfect client to you and have people asking you for information on your program, rather you going out and looking for them and DMing and all those things that you don't need to do, because this training is teaching you how to attract the customer to you without you having to fight for a customer to join your business. Not just that, she give you a way to create thousands of pieces of content with using AI. And also, when you join, you get a 7-day action plan. A 7-day action plan, excuse me, got an itch there. So you know how to set up and what you should be doing daily, every day, income producing activities, so that way you can start seeing the same success that I and others have had with this opportunity. Now, I don't want to hold you up too long, but I'll go over the products real quick. So when you start, I'm going to hide this marker. So when you start, you can start at the $50 starter, the $150 elite, or the $300 pro, which is highly recommended. Why? Because you want to be able to make 300, the 150, and 50 all the way across. So whatever product packet you join in with, that's what you're going to make. So if you join at the 300, you'll be able to receive the 150 and the 50. There's a $39 admin fee. That's to get a done for you website all done for you. Even if you're not tech savvy, you don't know anything about how to put a website together, they're going to do that for you. And within 24 hours, you can start promoting this opportunity. So with the $300 level, you're going to get the 200 pre-written ads, bonus imaging ads, a winning mindset formula, art of persuasion influence, a 7-day action plan to success, a 6-figure closing script, So when someone asks you about your business and opportunity, you know how to and what to say to them. 100 Facebook groups, Craigslist marketing strategy, Facebook support group, YouTube mastery, Instagram marketing strategy, how to create a six-figure sales funnel, 30-day email follow-up to close sales on autopilot, TikTok marketing, get access to our VIP training live chat, 30-day of email marketing, automate your social media growth with one powerful strategy, live training, exclusive bonuses, and extra bonus on hotel and restaurant discount on the vouchers. So that's when you get started with the $300 pro level. See, I'm back here. That's when you get started with the $300 pro level. So if you want to take action today, I do have the link in the description. And anyone who start with me at the $300 pro level, I'm going to send, excuse me, give me one moment here. I am an at-home dad. I enjoy being home and taking care of my 2-year-old daughter. If you check out my Facebook profile, we're on there and we're doing all kinds of certain things throughout the day. But not to jump off subject, when you join with me at the 300 pro level, I'm going to send 200 targeted clicks to your opportunity. When you get your website done back, you're going to have ongoing consultation with me. If you have any questions, if you are stuck or struggling, I'm going to be there to guide you and help you through it. That is my guarantee. When I first started in this industry, I got left out by my sponsor, and it was really hard for me to get started and get going. So I don't want that for anybody. I wish that upon nobody. So that is why you get my ongoing support when you start with me at the Infinity Processing System. No matter what level you join at, you're going to get that ongoing support. Thank you for hanging out with me and checking out this awesome opportunity with Infinity Processing System. The link is in the bottom of the description if you want to get started today or load any more information. I do have my Facebook contact and details down at the bottom. So if you want to get with me personally, I love chit-chatting and talking about marketing and getting to know different people. So I'll see you on the other side. Go ahead and click that button.